Hello, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm doing this set that you are seeing. I did a French with foil, and I will do as well the build of the nails. My left hand is not done, as you can see, and will make the same as I made on my right hand. Maybe it's not perfect, for sure it's not perfect, but it's something that I tried on for first time. If you like my channel, please follow, subscribe and hit the notification bell so you'll know that when I'm posting new videos. These are the products that I'm using in this video. You can find them in the links description below. And now we'll start with extensions. The nails are already prepped, and I have plenty of videos for this, so you can find it in gel nails or manicure playlist. I use bond control, one layer, and after that I'm using base coat, one layer that I'm curing under LED lamp for 30 seconds. I usually put a generous amount of base coat just to protect better the nail plate. Now I'm using this non-stick extension gel from Born Pretty, clear one. It's very easy to use. This part I love it so much, and this product I love it so much. I have other products from Born Pretty, but this one, the non-stick hand gel, is very easy to use. You just put it on the tips and try to make thin as possible the layer because it's very strong, and that is all. Make sure that your hands are well sanitized and you don't have any natural oils on your fingers when you are doing this, because it will contaminate the gel product. And you just press it on the nail tips. These nail tips, I bought them from Daiso, are nothing fancy but are working perfectly. I like them because are short and I don't need to make any cuts or any shapes. So I'm arranging them all. I'm putting gel on all, and after that I will put them on my nails. Make sure that you are taking a smaller amount, not so big. If you are putting too much product, it will become too plumpy, too big, too much. It will be too bulky there. And around cuticle area is better to put less. Sometimes I'm achieving this, sometimes not. This still is a learning process. And it's very economical, this jar that I got from Born Pretty. You can find the links in the description below. They have more colors for this gel. I prefer to have the clear one because anyway I'm adding color on it. But if you just want to have an easy manicure, get the colored one, and after that you just top coat it and finished. So now I will just press it. When I'm pressing, I don't put too much pressure. I'm just focused on getting all the sides and let it there. As you can see, it's not flowing from the nail. It's just staying there until I cure it and I remove it myself. It's a much better option than liquid extension because it's not moving, this one. After that you can just remove tips and that is done. Make sure that if anything is overflowing on the cuticle area, you can just remove it before using the LED lamp. Now that I cure it for 30-60 seconds, I'm just removing tips and are very easy to remove. As you can see, it's peeling off immediately. I will just shape them a little bit. And that is all. My nails are ready. I use now a layer of base coat and cure it for 30 seconds under LED lamp. And now we are starting the nail design. It's very easy one, but it may take a while, but it's very easy. Now I'm using the transfer foil gel from M-Share as well. You can find it in links description below. And I put a normal amount, not overflowing. I cure it for 60 seconds under LED lamp and I place another coat again 60 seconds. I noticed that if you are placing two coats and cure each of them 60 seconds, the foil is getting attached much better. Again, this is the second coat. This is the foil that I'm using. I have two foils, but I think on the other hand I was using the other foil. I said, okay, let's do something different at least. So I'll just put the foil and remove it, but make sure that it's covering all sides. And this one didn't cover because I believe I put the wrong side of the foil. Yes. So first time I put the wrong side. I'm trying to do different. I'm using also the other foil. Wherever I see that are missed spots, I'm just applying the foil a little bit more. I use the base coat just to seal it. And I cure it for 30 seconds under LED lamp. And now I'm going to put matte coat. I find that it's easier to use matte coat for the next step that is coming. The matte coat, I will cure it for 60 seconds. Now I'm using these stickers. This is the look with matte coat, but I'm not going to let them like this. I'm using these stickers. I think I bought them from Shein or AliExpress. There was a set. You can find them anywhere. So I choose the style that I want, and on matte coat is sticking much better. Wherever I want for French to be, I will just place it there. It's a little bit harder for me with one hand, but something will come out. Okay, I'm using the other form also. I want to make like a moon shape, something like this. I'm trying to see if I make them at least similar with what it is, but I have no clue. Now I'll add base coat. When I add base coat, as making smoother the application gel, the color. It's not spitting, it's not coming under these white stickers if I'm placing the base coat. I'll cure it for 30 seconds. And now I'll take this color cube from Modelones that I love it so much. This is Crazy Jelly Bean. They have so many colors, so many combinations. You should try them. You can find the links in the description below. And I will just place the color there. This is just the first coat, it's fine. Now is the second coat. Each coat cure it for 30 seconds. And I'm using the yellow one. There I cured, on the ringer I cured without cleaning. And now I cannot remove it. So after curing, I'm just removing the stickers. I just need to add a little bit of red because this one I didn't do it properly. The sticker I didn't place it properly, so I'm trying to correct it, but not working for me. I'm cleaning with a little bit of isopropyl alcohol. And after curing it for 30 seconds, I'm adding the top coat. And this is the final look. I hope you like it. It's not perfect, but I like it. It's something different. It's something colorful. And I just wanted to try this style. If you like my channel, please click on the notification bell, follow, like this video, and check as well products that I used. You can find the links in the description below. And I will see you in my next video. I like this style. Maybe I have to redo it at some point to do it better, but it's an idea. Thank you. Bye bye.